Be good birdies. You gotta nuzzle back. Oh, Bonito's being good. Oh. Bonito. It's not a nice way to do it, Phoenix. You gotta be more gentle. Bonito wants it to be nice. You're whiny, but you give it bad. Bonito's nice. You gotta reciprocate. See, Bonito's nice. He's a good boy. Okay, that's a little better. Oh, you got a little rough. You got a little rough. Bonito's like, be more gentle. Be more gentle. Who's gonna give who preening? Bonito's gonna be nice again. Oh, you guys are squabbling too much. Okay, Bonito's being good. Good boy. Okay, Phoenix, your turn. Oh no, you're becking him in the head like that. No, you whiny girl. Whiny girl, you gotta learn. You gotta learn how to do it. You gotta give and receive. Bonito's like, I'm gonna preen my tookie. Oh no, this is gonna be nice. Okay, Bonito's nice again. Oh, okay, he's getting a little mad. He wants some back. Nicely. Phoenix, you gotta be good about it. He's trying to get it. You gotta preen him back. He needs it. Oh, but you take it too much. You're too rough. You're too rough. You're whiny and rough. Alright, you guys are done. Bye-bye.